Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Slenderiiz Skinny Drops. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a drop that helps you slender up or burn your fat, as you can see right here. So phase 1, preparation, cut out fast food for your body. And basically it is just this is just a way on how to get thinner or get more fit. As you can see, fat burning. They don't even mention the product right here at the start. So right here, they just tell you a lot of things, what to eat and what to avoid. And then right here on page 17, they actually introduce a product. So as you can see right here, they just place in the product right there, fat burning, maintenance, and a lot more. So as you can see right here, if you search it here on Google, there isn't a lot of information about this product right here, except for this one, which is a very shady website. So yeah, please do not buy this product since there's not a lot of information about this, and we're not even sure if it is FDA approved. So I advise you to, if you are on this website, I advise you to follow these steps, but do not buy the product itself. And yeah, that is basically it. So this product is very shady, and there's not a lot of information about it. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.